Number 1. Underhand serve. A basic serve where the ball is hit from below the waist position. 1 foot forward. Hold ball in one hand. Swing the other hand. Under. Tips. Keep your eyes on the ball. Swing straight forward. Do not use too much force. Number 2. Overhand serve. A stronger serve where the ball is hit above the head position. Toss the ball slightly up. Hit when open hand. Tips. Toss not too high. Contact the middle of the ball. Keep balance. Number 3. Jump serve. An advanced serve with a jump for more power position. Just show arm swing. No jumping. Tips. Timing is important. Strong arm swing. Controlled landing just mentioned.